Good morning, good morning, good morning. How you all doing? You okay? Good. Hey, oh dear. What a guan, what a guan, what up, what up? Yeah man, I your girl, Debbie from down here. Oh no pretty? Mm. Oh no, sister, me give them a shot over here, so me sister, me I try to get me not fully pretty, you know. Try to get pretty in a Easter Sunday morning. Give them a shot. Mm-hmm. You see that shot here? That shot here name are where we have. Where we have. Because you what the Easter thing you catch everybody now. Me I talk to you, me soon done. Listen. Right over here, follow me. Me have the little skillet there with little oil lime. About 2.5 tablespoons that. Yeah. I will have some tomato right here, so where we rough dice. So we'll put him inside of that pot here. We are gonna chop a flame. We'll give 2 stir. We'll put in the tomato and make it a go on. And we are trying to get it like the pectin out of it. That little juicy, you know, little mushy something. So we are trying to make it go on to that way. We are talking to you. Pick them up and make them here. You see the Easter something here? It catch me bad. Notice how it catch me. It catch me 3 months, past month 10, post month 10, and pre-month 10. It catch me right in between in the middle. You know see? It catch me a couple weeks after the month 10 gone. And a couple weeks, I wanted a week and a half before the month 10 comes. So, fridge low. Now one. I don't know, it's sticky. So, right in our fridge, anything on the side, any little something on the side. That's how we are running this morning. That's how we are running. Yeah. You know? We are trying, give them a shot. Then see what I got. We are trying to get to, we are trying to get to the tomato, make it come bushy. We want to cook down. Watch me. Right over here, so. We have one little, and they go to Frankfurt, and we find, you know, they go Frankfurt, and find a pot of Frankfurt, and we don't know how that it last down in our back, but I eat we find. So we decide, so we are go, you know, we cut them up in about a ½ inch, keep your ½ inch cube, yes, and that we find. So we are work with, you see me? Oh no, and the boy, he done? Hey, maybe shell down to me when you see me come out on camera there, shell down that, I hear what? Everybody else in here have flu, mama. Let me alone. So here what? See me done. Can me share it down. See me here? See here? See how me look here? Come here, come. Give them a shot of what they are talking. See there? We are trying to get a little mushiness there in the tomato. Come on. See? See? Here they are served. The heat is on. So, you might not have one. Me feel thirsty, you know. So listen to me. Me have one little sit me here. Me said, yo, me a talking about the eating. Me have little pineapple here in that back here. Who piece that pine? Me find one line. Then give them a shot time. And me put them in the water. When me don't mean when me attack, me not go manage it. So, keep there. Me find any little thing, any little fruit you find. You know, just to keep the body hydrated. Look at me right over here. See me here now? Alright. Listen to me now. We're going to put in just, like this is like about 2 tablespoons or a little under 2 tablespoons of chopped sweet pepper. Just for flavor. We might never put in a lime. Just for flavor. You see? Just for flavor. Watch me, you know. As we go along. You see? Give them a shot there. Then see how me say the tomato to come. See there? And if it a go on too much, you turn down your heat. And remember you ride and whistle, you know. Ride and whistle. Alright. We don't want the sweet pepper get too much. So we are going to turn in with Frankfurt again. Good stuff. But we are going to chop back with flame. See there? In the meantime, in between time, the time at you know. But a couple of days when we don't drink no tea, so we have little tea keep warm. See there? We don't bother with the hotness and the heat that fly outside, you know. Look at it, show them it there. Keep warm. Keep warm little tea. You know what that? Lemongrass and ginger. Yeah. We can't turn it down because we don't want to get hot from we and not going up too much when we're ready to suck in. You see? So watch me now. In there, they must stew down. Cover on a little bit. We are going to put on the cover pan. I can get everything gel. We have a little chopped onion where we are going to put in. Okay? But we're not quite ready yet. We're not quite ready for that yet. We are going to put on the cover. Yeah. In the meantime, in between time, we have some little strips of bread over here, so where we strip up, right? And that we have, you know, remember me tell you, is what you find or what you have. It is all about what you find or what you have this morning. Okay? Alright. Me have little mayonnaise here. Yes, sir. You can use butter too, you know, but guess what? The butter it always don't fast on the mayonnaise because is it true we can make the potato salad so fast and so half fried potato there, you know? The mayonnaise always left back. So remember, it's no butter not there, not a butter. So we are going to take 2 tablespoons. You see? We not use the measurement, you know, so foolish this me a chat. See? And true, we love the mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons is always a little extra, you know? With the mayonnaise love them, 2 tablespoons always a little extra. But I don't know. We have little palm oil. But look here, olive oil good to you know. Feel free. Me not have none. If you made it kind of run out. So we are going to put about a teaspoon that olive oil in it. And we are going to grate one of them humongous peg of garlic here. You see them? Hey, look over there. So you know you have to ride and whistle. You know want to look something here. Go on up. See? Take time. Gelling together. Coming down. Alright. You could mess me a kitchen with it. And everything has this splash we can attend to it. That's how it goes. We have it. We know that when we're done we clean up the place. Alright now. That is here. We are going to put in with little chopped onion right about now. Look. We don't put it in too early because we want to get the little, you know, when we're ready to eat, it kind of little crunchy. See there? And we're not going to lock back the pot this time. Watch me. Aye, we are going, you know me and the garlic, you know, little garlic if I nice, a bit nice with flavor. So we are going to line up 2 little pega. And we're not going to bother, we're just going to put 1. We don't want too much of the garlic. Alright, but in the meantime, like how we just grate a garlic, we have one where we have to grate over here, so in this. I can go and do one them do that. So we just have to take 1 stone and kill the 2 birds. Right away. See that? Yeah. Now we put in a little oil. Good stuff. Hey, so busy me. Busy? You better get busy. You understand? Survival we say. Easy. Yeah, you say I take time look over this, so? Alright. Yup. Good stuff. You see inside of this now, we are going to put little ketchup. Probably feel free to put. You know for my big spoon here, you know. You know for my big spoon. And that I go on for what I go on. See me have my earring drop out the way me busy. Busy? Anyway, look at this. This is about 1 of my big spoon. So we put him in there. We want to taste a little bit of sweetness in our something. So we put in little ketchup. See here? See? A real thing, anything happen, we not take you out. So we not up with flame, no, we turn down with flame. We not notch him up. Hey, I the whole heap of bonus sprat it in there, you know. I hit. So we're going to sprinkle now a little bit of black pepper, not a lot. And the subject of taking one stone, killing the two birds, we're going to notch up a bit inside of this stuff. Not a lot. See it there? Just a small portion. Right? So we turn down that and leave that right here. Lower that. So we are going to use a spoon now. And we are going to blend in this. We have to make one little something because we don't have no butter. Then we are done with. So we take them out of the way. We don't have no butter. We put pan with bread and we find mayonnaise and drop. So we are going to make one little spread, you know. Taste it. But we taste after with something, you know. Wow. Beautiful. What's that? All we do, 2 tablespoons, actually spoon, and mayonnaise, little garlic, little palm oil, yeah, and a pinch of black pepper. If you have olive oil, you know, boom. So we have few little strips of bread over here, so in our toaster. That is if you like toast, you know. We are going to carry down, king go and toast little. You understand? That is if you want. If you don't want it to be toasted, not a problem. Right over here at Easter time. Easter done, you know. Right away, now me book your Easter done. As survival, we have to go right back to basics now. We have some little egg over here. Some. I don't know if them are Easter egg or them are what kind of egg. We did boil them and left them for cool. In? But the little one I get very unruly. Unruly little Easter egg. Decide to go and bad in the pot. So listen to me now. Culture is not about coloring eggs and searching for Easter egg. We don't have not much of that in our culture. We boil egg and eat egg. You see? So we did have a few eggs left back in the fridge there. So because it is about what we have or where we can find, we boil them up. You understand? We boil them up. So I go pick them off. Yeah? As we go along. Boil them. I don't get too cold, you know, because we want when we are eating them kind of warmish. You see me? Yeah. Alright? We are wait for that there, you know. We don't want to bread. If you like your bread, you know. Some people like them bread toastily black. No, we just want to get a little crispiness to the bread for sure you. And you make you get the taste of the little may I challenge somebody. Anyone I want? Give me one name for that whip here. Leave it in the comments below. Give me a name for this whip. Because me tell you, you know, I saw people come up with recipe. You're in your kitchen, you take your little, hey, I come into you, behave yourself. Hello, please. So, we are going to cut with little egg them open, yeah? We not search for the egg them, you see? We can't afford it, don't have to buy egg and throw them, we all both and search for them, you see? We have to eat them. That's how we do it. Our culture no carry with this. So we have a little egg, like a boiled Easter egg. And we put, yeah, a little black pepper to the side. Ooh, a little black pepper, take it up, and everybody love them something there, you know. Right after we there, and everybody like black peppers, but you don't know, and we put little salt to the side, yeah. I like that. Alright. This over here, so. See there? Ready? So we now go do not a God Almighty thing, you know. One dish him out. Just put everybody over here, so. Because I know no big nothing, you know. And you see it? You see that? You see that? You see it, look? Hold on there. Wait there little. Me soon show you. Me soon show you when me a talk about. That little gooiness there. That little gooiness there. Pan the frankfurter, them are the sausage. Anything you want to call it, you know. That little good, make we clean them off. See it? The little gooiness we are looking for pan. Boom. Yup. You please come out of the way. You was a bad little Easter bunny. Yo. Alright. What have we bread them over here, so? Me hear the toaster. Yeah man, me good. You don't want to make bread toast like black. No. Me prefer it, so feel free to do your bread how you want to do it, you know. Or if you don't want to do it, toast, you do it how you want to do it. Alright, so you come right here and you take your little something and you take up little other nice. Hey, remember me going to one homework. I am waiting. We are going to name that little spread here. Yeah. You take 2. After me put in there, but if you want him drop down, you say, me not come on camera. Papa lad. All bread and all. No know when them fit appear from when them fit disappear. Who's that? You see me and I tremble at the nerves, you know. The nerves are going, but you worry yourself. Yup. You take 3 little strip of them bread here. And you go so. Short eye. Line me up there, make them see me. You go so. Boom. And you put in I sell everybody help themselves. I free for all this man, nobody not shop, nothing put on the table and to store, nothing on the tea, in a cup, in a body, you know. I free for all this morning. So me have to know my limit. And me alone I eat. So this I feel me. I feel the same thing, you know, we don't want no tongue or nothing. I may take up 2 pieces of my egg. And me go so. But me I go take up for me black pepper. And me I go sprinkle on my egg. Aye. The time I think we have to supplicate tea. Hello please. Me talking to you. Right over here. Me tell you no. I had a little pot with some lemongrass or a brew inside of my cup here, so. You see me? Me have a teaspoon of molasses. Yeah, to settle up the nerves. So you saw the Anna shape there a while ago. Yes, man. See it there? So, we not deal with no sugar this man, because we shell down the whole of that they bun there, you know. That they bun there Friday, we shell down the whole of it, you know. So, we are, aye, hello, please. When you're talking about the sugar, you have to go moderately. We have a little cook up a lemongrass tea. And what we have in there, remember, this is about what we have, what we can find inside our fridge, inside our kitchen. If you smell me tea, you have to smell me lemongrass tea. Hey, if with the ginger come out of it, boom. I can't take a sup. Put the camera there for me. In a hot, you know, it's just warm. Wow. 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 With your little molasses to taste. Molasses, if it come back, the little shaking in the nerves. And that's all. Upala. Hey. If you may fuck here. You take your eye. Me still waiting on no. To in the comments below. I open. You go that road. To tell me the name of this little spread. This is my little Sunday man, Easter Sunday morning breakfast is what me find. What you find, what you have, it is all about survival. Mountain gone, Easter coming on me good. Mountain week and a half again, you have to live survival. Listen to me now. Listen to me. I love it. I take a little bit of the flavor of that. You don't know what I flavor. See that? Aye, sir. Ooh. Yes, sir. All right. Oh, it is about what we have. So listen to me. We now go bother with no holy pan this morning. We are going to sign out because you are. Me are going to invite you now to come along with me for me Easter Sunday dinner. You see the heat. You see the heat and me turn off the stove. So listen to me. And me see one. They be from down a yard. This little Easter bunny here. I'm not right now. I'm not right now.